truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to call your crush. What?
Shoot, I kind of don't need to call my crush because they're in this car.
You smell like strawberries.
It's my lip gloss.
Cool. Does it taste like it smells?
You want to find out?
Sure.
Who are you waiting for?
My friend?
Listen, we know you're here to see an 11-year-old girl.
She said she was 12.
Uncle, look at my friend, baby. Uncle, Jill, she on FaceTime.
Oh. It's a beautiful baby.
I'm a male. Okay?
Okay.
So, what are you? So I can call you sir or ma'am. What are you?
What would you assume looking at me?
What are you?
What would you assume looking at me?
I assume that you're a man.
All right. Now the rest of you kids can go with those two losers right now.
Whoa, what the hell's going on over here?
Pick my team.
No, you can't take all.
I can't pick the...
You can't pick
What
all.
should I not
You
pick?
know exactly what you've done, sir.